Hello everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I will show you how to remove respectively the minimum age restrictions on Instagram. There are two ways to do this. If you have a professional account, if not, then switch. Go to NA, account type and tools. Here click on other and minimum age. Here we set accordingly the minimum age. Yes, that is there are 25 years, so click save. And accordingly it can help you. If this does not help you, then go to the settings. Scroll to the very bottom. Click help here. Here's the Meta AI support assistant. Yes, assist. Helper assistant. Yes, artificial. So we need to write here in the search, I want to change my age. That's just how you can write. Here he gives us the answer. Click update respectively your date of birth and enter here the age you need. Well, your age. That's all. Weller was with you. Goodbye, everyone. Well, how is it? More precisely, click edit. To be completely accurate, enter your age here. That's it. That's all. Bye, everyone.